Hi, and welcome to St. Louis Park Today. I'm your host, Seth Rowe. Well, Park Nicollet is back in the news today as St. Louis Park's largest employer has announced another round of layoffs. Park Nicollet Health Services today announced a workforce reduction that affects 233 employees with a full-time equivalency of 118 positions. Affected employees will receive severance packages, employee assistance services, and job search assistance. The last day of work for the majority of affected employees will be this Friday, April 24th. Additionally, 69 open positions, the equivalent of 45 full-time equivalency positions, will not be filled. Park Nicollet has nearly 7,000 FTEs, so that's 6,699 to be precise. The reduction represents 1.8% of its workforce. Other measures taken today include the elimination and consolidation of several leadership positions at Park Nicollet, a mandatory 2-week furlough for, quote, non-revenue producing employees to be taken before December 31st, 2009, elimination of 401k or 403b employer matches for 2009 for retirement accounts. In December 2008, Park Nicollet had a workforce reduction that affected an additional 233 people. In March 2009, Park Nicollet Methodist Hospital had a workforce reduction of 26 licensed practical nurses. The total of reduced positions since December 2008 is 492 employees for 308 full-time equivalency positions and 229 positions left unfilled. David Wessner, President and CEO of Park Nicollet, said, "Park Nicollet, like many organizations, has been negatively impacted by the national economic downturn, which affected investment holdings, along with a lower demand for our services. We also are seeing the amount of uncompensated care we provide increase due to higher unemployment and a greater prevalence of high-deductible health insurance. And we still don't know the full extent of state and federal budget cuts to health care. We are taking positions now to address our current realities and be better positioned for the future." Well, in other news, the St. Louis Park City Council is set to consider approving a plan tonight to expand the Municipal Service Center on Oxford. Not very far away from Methodist Hospital, actually. The City Council will meet at 7:30 p.m. at City Hall to discuss that item along with a couple other things on the agenda. The Municipal Service Center is being expanded because it's supposed to make a way for employees from Fire Station 1 to use it as a temporary fire station while work is being done on Fire Station 1, and then later on Fire Station 2. Both fire stations are going to be replaced. Also, there are some public works employees at Fire Station 1 that will go to work at the expanded Municipal Service Center once that's complete. So it's a whole set of circumstances that's happening. And this was kind of the first step on the agenda is approving bids for work and the plan and so forth on that Municipal Service Center. Earlier, just before the City Council meeting, the Economic Development Authority, which is made up of council members, is scheduled to consider a contract for the Wooddale Catered Living Project at West 36th Street and Wooddale Avenue that would provide a maximum tax increment financing package of $650,000. Now, the developer has applied for a Hennepin County grant of about $450,000, and if it receives that grant, the amount of city TIF assistance would decrease significantly, according to a staff report. So those are some items that will be of interest tonight, and of course I'll be able to update you more on that probably tomorrow. The weather today is kind of lousy. Chance of rain. There's been some precipitation already today, some kind of sprinkles, showers. Nothing huge, but a little bit of wetness. It's got up to all of 48 degrees. So not too warm compared to what we have had, certainly anyway. Low of 34, so it'll stay just above freezing, and hopefully won't hurt any of the little plants that are emerging. Well, tomorrow it's supposed to be a bit better, with partly cloudy skies and a little sun, and a high of 58, and then a low of 38 overnight. And we could get back into the 70s later in the week. Weather Underground has 72 for Thursday, but I saw one forecast that said 78 for a high on Thursday. So that would be great. That would be very nice. So looking forward to that upswing again. Well, thanks again for watching St. Louis Park Today. Once again, I'm your host, Seth Rowe.